Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Within this quick video, I want to share with you all how I go about creating eyebrows, and this is one of the many ways that I go about doing eyebrows. And I just want to point out that this is not going to be for context of PMU. With that being said, should you have any questions along the way, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Let's dive straight on into this. So as you can see, the design is not a realistic design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using dashes for this style of a tattoo, as opposed to more of a PMU approach where I'm going for realistic eyebrows. For this specific design at hand, I will not be going for a realistic look. So diving right on in, as you see, I am going to be using sort of whip down dash motions to create the overall structure of this eyebrow right here. And I'm going to kind of repeat that process until I've achieved the results that I'm looking for. And I'll typically go over this about maybe 2 to 4 times, depending again on the specific look that I'm going for at hand. Since I still want the eyebrows to have some sort of natural look to them, I'm going to be using whip motions all in the same direction, as you can see right here. So I'm starting in one direction and I'm actually going in that direction until I finish the eyebrow, whether I'm going from left to right or right to left. When necessary, I'm going to be using crosshatch motions right here, as you see, and I'm using the very tip of my needle to go ahead and fill out the eyebrows a little bit more. Now, when you are dashing in the eyebrows, go ahead and dash in a natural direction in which the eyebrows would actually grow in, so that way you can get a more of a natural look. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I also have a Patreon. I would truly appreciate the support on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.